started hiking down. Okay, there are many steps, and we passed by several villages as when we descending down. And yeah, the path are just rocks, steps. Yeah, this is one of the tea house. Okay, after about 2 hours hiking from Ghorepani, we have reached this little place called Tea. This is where we're gonna have a cup of tea, coffee, and we shall wait for our jeep pickup and get us out of here to Pokhara that way. Okay, our pickup jeep is here and it's about time to move, and it'll take us a couple of hours to reach back to Pokhara. Yeah, thanks to our guide. We don't have to go through the hardship and the pain, to walk further down. Okay, so it's a luxury. Luxury to have a jeep. I call it buffalo.
One eternity later.
Okay, we are back to Pokhara now. We are in the city, and after 2 weeks, we have ended our Annapurna trekking circuit, and we are glad that we made it. And yeah, we get to stay for 2 days, rest ourselves, and do some laundry before we plan the next step.
The following day.
I had a very good sleep last night after all the heavy hiking high in the mountains. So now I'm heading for breakfast.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
In Pokhara, there are many trekking shops that sells those trekking items like shoes, clothing, bags, plenty of it. Most of it they are not the genuine products. So it's good to know that there are some options for guys, for you that forgot to take some of your camping gears, okay, or some of your hiking equipment. You can simply just buy here. It's dinner time here in Pokhara. So we have decided that we're going to take a little side track to go from Pokhara to Lumbini. That's the Buddha's birthplace. Now, if I'm not mistaken, okay, the birthplace of Lord Sakyamuni Gautama, okay, he was born in Lumbini Park around 2,645 years ago, and that is the place that we will go. We will take this opportunity to visit this place again. So we will be moving off at 7 a.m. We'll head for our bus, and that will take us roughly about 6 hours to get there. Right, so we'll see you in the morning after our dinner. Yeah, and this is what we're gonna have for Takali. The banana lassi, papaya lassi, and curry rice. Yummy! Oh, yummy. Okay, I'm entering the gate that will lead us to the Maya Devi temple. That's where the second place